Hi friends, I'm Mayuresh. So today's topic is Evolution X 2.0 based on August security patch on MI1 review. So let's see the about phone. As you can see, the Android version is 9.0. The Android security patch is of 1 August. The Evolution X version is of Cobra 2.0 Tissot. And the kernel is 4.0, that is Perfect Plus kernel. In system, you get gestures that as swipe finger for notification and swipe left right to dismiss notification. Then swipe to screenshot, that is 3 finger screenshot. Jump to camera and prevent ringing. In display settings, you get basic customization such as device theme, color theme, that is accent color, and color theme, and dark theme style, that is gray or black. You also get to choose different fonts. You get many fonts to choose. See, there are lots of fonts. So these are the customization in display settings. Main customer of this room is Evolution Extras. In Evolution Extra, you get status bar. In status bar, disable unlock screen, rounded corners, status bar icon, that is system icons, status bar logo, and custom logo, roaming indicator, Bluetooth battery status, show data disable icon, old mobile style, status bar items, that is traffic indicator and career label, and clock and date settings. Then battery style, that is battery style and battery percentage. Then in notification, you get head up notification, then timeout, then snooze timer, stop list, blacklist, force expert notification, kill app button, noisy notification, make head up less annoying, in call vibration, etc. Then in quick settings, you get quick style. So you get many styles to choose. I have choose diamond. So as you can see, the style is of diamond. You can choose suppose this. As you can see, the style is changed. In the opacity of quick settings, use default colors, QoS banner tuner. You get many customizers such as security footer, animations, then brightness slider tweaks, and miscellaneous. In power button, you get power button customization such as power button toggles and disable unlock screen, then screen off animation, etc. In gestures, you get AOSP gestures, that is same gestures as we saw in the system settings. Then double tap to sleep on status bar, double tap to sleep on lock screen, and brightness control on status bar. In lock screen, you get lock screen shortcuts. Then fingerprint unlock after reboot, fingerprint authentication vibration. Then music, interface, that is clock style, date style, that is interface. Icons on lock screen, and visualizer, that is colors, etc. Then navigation, you get choose navigation. You get many customers in this room. See, suppose navigation bar, you can invert layout, pixel animation, one-handed mode, gesture navigation, interface, that is you can choose from smart bar, fling, and stock, and their customization respectively. Any advanced, you get portrait height and landscape width. Then hardware buttons. In hardware buttons, you get to choose each and every action of the home button, recent button, and back button. They're backlit, and I also get option to disable hardware keys. Then power button, long press for torch. Then volume button customizations, that is volume panel. See, when you choose and when you press the volume button, as you can see all the buttons. Then volume steps, then wake device with volume key, then volume key answer, and control cursor, etc. In miscellaneous, you get gaming mode. In gaming mode, you can block notification, lock buttons, disable gestures, disable automatic brightness, and ringer in gaming. You can choose do not change or do not disturb, vibrate, etc. Then dynamic gaming mode. That is whenever you open any app and system will automatically find the game and add in the gaming list. That is this list. You can also add manually. Then wavelock blocker, alarm blocker, media, that is screenshot type, that is full or partial. Then launch music app. Then system, wake on plug. Then USB configuration, allow signature spoofing. Then dashboard options, dose settings, time in state settings, etc. So you get many customers in this room. The battery life of this room is pretty good. I got around 5 to 6 hours of screen on time. I didn't face any kind of bug. The voltage is also working, as you can see the logo in status bar. So let's see the calls are working or not.
To Geo मराठीसाठी एक दाबा.
As you can see the calls are working fine. I didn't face any kind of bug in this room. It is extremely smooth. So what do you think? How was the video? Tell me in comment section. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe for more awesome video like this. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.
What just happened?